Hey guys, good morning. I hope all of you are doing well. Today at C2S, I would like to add some positivity to your day. But before that, I would like all of you to like and subscribe my YouTube channel Cradle to Saddle, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the notifications of the new videos. So cycling provides twin benefits of social distancing as well as environmental well-being. So I would like to say, don't follow me blindly. Watch the videos coming ahead.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 29th of June 2020 and we are in the phase of unlocking. I am Arjun Kohli this side on Cradle to Saddle. So here I am about to share my experience as to how I became a cyclist. I won't call myself a cyclist, but how I started riding. I am still a very amateur in this sport, but I hope I achieve great heights. So just like everyone else, we all were quite affected by this pandemic and after the nationwide lockdown, which resulted in closure of gyms. And I am a person who always used to follow a strict fitness regime, but unfortunately post the lockdown, we all had to, just come to a halt with it. Eventually I started working out at home, doing basic push-ups, pull-ups, going for small strolls in the vicinity of the house, but that eventually didn't work out for me. One fine day in the mid of month of May, I realized that why not take up a new sport. And one fine morning I was just taking a stroll and I came across a person just riding a bicycle, and that's when the idea struck me. The very next thing what I did was went up, started searching online, and thought of buying a new bicycle for myself. I went and bought a MTB of Scott, which was an amazing bicycle, but eventually I realized that my love for an MTB was quite short-lived, and since more speed and the adrenaline rush gives me more the push-up, So how would I say? I eventually shifted on to a road bike, and this is my present bike. It's a Scott Speedster 30, and it's an amazing bike. Gives me everything which I'm looking for: performance, speed, and adrenaline rush. At the same time, when I started riding, I came across few friends who motivated me to do this. I would like to name them: Jenny, Tharkunal, Vishesh, and Nipun Bhaiya, Gaurav Bhaiya, and Rajat. So they've helped me move up and adopt this sport. Hope I become a pro. I hope so. And so my journey in cycling has begun. I hope yours begin too soon. And one important thing, ride responsibly and ride safe. Invest in a good helmet. That's important. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kabir. We're here on Cradle to Saddle. It's a great initiative taken by Mr. Nipun. It's a channel which basically tells all the beginners about what cycling is. It's a great initiative that's taken for the beginners basically. So it basically tells you how cycling is helping you. It's all about cycling, to be honest. And me, I've come back from London, and when I was here during this pandemic, it was like I was too lazy every day. I never used to get out. Usually I'm an outgoing person, but then finally I started a group on WhatsApp. I tried getting to the people who I know. I've been in Delhi before, and a lot of people I know who are here, I try to push them to it, and then now each and every day I have to push every new person who tries to come in, who tries to join in, and then it's just a matter of 2 or 3 days that I have to actually beg them, I'll say. But when I beg them in 2 or 3 days, they're done. Like they want to come every day. They're the one who call me every day that, okay, fine, Kabir, we're coming. Let's go here, let's go there. Every day we're having new routes every day. We're trying off-roading routes. We do everything possible. We ride from Delhi to Gurgaon, from Delhi to Noida. It's all coming with time. I was never a rider myself, and it's all coming with time. The first day I rode, it was about 10 kilometers. Then it went to 15, then 20, and now I'm doing 40-50 kilometers a day. And soon we're planning on 100 kilometers a day. And trust me, it's not a task. It doesn't feel difficult at all. These bikes, like right now I'm having an Accord, it's amazing. I don't feel nothing bad about it. It's value for money. And then again, I'm saying just start it. It's just a matter of, you can say 2 days or 3 days, that's it. You'll have all the pain and everything, you'll be like, oh, I'm too tired, it's too much pain, but then it's absolutely worth it. In 3 days, you'll be like, okay, I want to go. It's helped me in my schedule, in my routine. I sleep in the night. I never used to sleep in the night. We're one of those crackheads who used to be like up all night, sleep in the morning, but I sleep in the night, and that's like my family is like, okay, what's happening? Is this cycling?
My name is Chhatrapati Aryan. I am a national level triathlon athlete. I am the Delhi state champion and the regional champion in IQ triathlon. And besides that, I also happen to be the under 23 ranked 2 position in India, and one of the top 10 athletes when it comes to the national triathlon rankings. I started doing triathlon when I was 13 years of age. I used to be a swimming and running athlete in school. After I started cycling, I realized that cycling is one of the most beautiful sports out there. I mean, see, every sport is painful, but the thing about cycling is it's really recreational. And besides that, it really helps you. It's mainly a cardiovascular sport, which also requires to have some good amount of muscular endurance. So as they say, age is just a number. So hence I would say that there's no particular age or the right age to start cycling. I mean, you could start whenever you feel the inspiration to do so. And during the coronavirus pandemic, I'd say everything came to a halt, and so did my training. So luckily I had access to an indoor trainer, and I could continue my cycling workouts on that. Everyone should do cycling, and especially cycling in India, it requires you to wake up early because of the crowded roads. So I would say that inculcating a disciplined lifestyle is another plus point of cycling. So it helps you to be more disciplined, get up early, and start your day on a positive note and do something productive. Hence I would say that everyone should give cycling a try, and cheers everybody.
Hi people, welcome to Cradle to Saddle. My name is Gaurav. I've just joined this group, and I'm just gonna tell you that how cycling has been a life-changing experience for me. After joining, I realized that how stress-free I was feeling. It helped me think properly. It was like where I could talk to myself, and in a way it helped me get better out of myself, and my overall health and fitness has improved drastically. And I would say to every one of you, give it a try and be more expressive in whatever you do, and it's a sport that you would love, and there is nothing which can stop you doing this sport. Age is just a number. You can start any time you feel like, and just enjoy it.
Hi, so we are at India Gate, and this is Jenny Taneja riding my Acrol bike. So I just want to talk about the benefits of the cycling. It has helped me a lot. A lot means a lot, and it's a full workout for the body. After the lockdown and the pandemic, many of us were sitting at home and not doing anything. To be very honest, we were not doing anything. As soon as the lockdown got over, we came with our bike out and on the road, and it has helped me a lot for the mental, the physical, everything. First I was taking it as a physical for the physical activity, but no, it's for the mental activity also. It has helped me a lot getting up in the morning,
Positive.
and being positive. My work and everything, I'm getting finished everything before 12 or 1 o'clock. It's just because I get early in the morning and back home in 3 or 4 hours. So this has helped me way ahead what I've thought about cycling.
Hi, I'm Taran Madhavan. Been riding from a long time now. Riding, to me, it has given and taken a lot of things from my life. First we'll talk about taken. It has taken all the miseries, all the negativity, all the bad routine, all the worst things that I used to imagine it has been, and it has given me happiness, content, good routine, health, and happiest means of transportation. I'm very proud to be a biker.
So guys, discard your fears away and make cycling your daily commuting way, because this is the way you're gonna stay fit, healthy and motivated during the pandemic also. Wish you all the best. See you next week.